Number one, gold investments inside IRA. Can your IRA buy gold?
It can buy gold minted by the U.S. Treasury.
That specific. That's it.
Yeah, like, for example, it can't buy art. You know, it can't buy collectibles. It can't buy gold made elsewhere. It can't buy gold bullion found on the deep ocean floor. It can only buy gold or silver minted by the U.S. Treasury.
Not one of those where it feels like you're holding history in your hand. Yeah, where they just found a shipwreck or whatever.
Yeah.
I love those commercials. All right, so what's up with gold investments inside the IRA then? What's your general response to this comment card's first bullet point?
Why are you wanting to buy gold is what I would ask. Kind of what are your thoughts on this? Why are you buying gold? Have you looked at its price over the past few years? James, I hadn't looked lately. What's the dividend gold's paying? The interest rates, dividend, it's got to be something.
I got the chart pulled up right here. It's 0.
Oh, okay, it hasn't changed. I thought it might have changed. It didn't. Okay, it's just, what are you buying it for? And that usually gets them to thinking, you know, it's not paying a dividend. It's kind of gone nowhere the past few years. So I'm just not sure what you're doing.